Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance day, where I have 12 saving challenges that I am saving for my sinking funds. So I have $80 here in prop money, and I have my cards here to determine which envelope that I'm going to play. So I don't have to do it. So let's go ahead and choose the first one we're going to do is 9. How are you guys doing today? I feel like I was supposed to do something in this envelope and I can't remember, but I don't know. All right, let's see. So we have Beautiful Budgets Co. here. This is that's just how we roll. And I need 2 dice. We just use these yellow ones here. And it's a intersecting game. So let's go ahead. Oh, I should do 2 different colors. Hold on. Let's see, I got a black one here. So let's do black on top. 5 and 4. So I got 5 and 4s here. So that is $7. 5, 6, and 7. And I want to do this again, but that was $7. You're just going to move on. Just move on. All right, next we got is 6. 6 is Reynolds budget. And let's see. I think these are amounts 1 through 4, right? Yes. So let's go ahead and get a D4. And we got a 3. So that's $3. And one more time. And another 3. All right, let's do this 2 and this 1. So we are doing $6. 5 and 6. And that's Reynolds budget. We are going to 5. 5 is the Thrifted Sewist shop. And let me get the color dies here and pick one out the bag. Let's see. Yellow. Let me move some of this stuff out the way. So let's get the yellow card. And let's see. We need a 2, 3, or 5. We got a 3. And that is a 2. I thought it was going to be a 20. So we have a 2. Oh, I need to do that again. Let's clean this off. So that's $2. Set that to the side. And let's pick another one. Let's do this one. Purple. All right. Let's see. Let's put that yellow back in there. We need a 1, 4, or 5. We got a 4. And that is an 8. Not too shabby. Hopefully we got all the big numbers out the way. I don't know, because we still haven't finished the bonus card. So 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. So we can get that 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Let's put that back in here. Put that purple in there and set the 10 there. Yes. We got a Buc-ee's here in Ohio. And we went for the first time. And I was pretty surprised. I was like, it was really busy, but everything we got, of course, we had to get the brisket sandwich, pulled pork sandwich. We got a club sandwich. I think my daughter got the chicken finger and fries, and my son got some Cuban sandwich. And everything was hot and good. I was like, okay. This is created by Debt Free by 43 shop. And we got a green for $2. And my husband like, you should be filming. I was like, he is like my biggest supporter, I promise. So maybe, because we plan to go again, maybe I will film. I don't know. All right, we got a 4 there. And we got one more scratch. So 4, let's put $1 back, grab a 5. All right. I was thinking about finishing it, but I'm not going to do it. Let's go to 1. 1 is Budget with Carly. Have you guys been to Buc-ee's? For you guys who don't know what is Buc-ee's, Buc-ee's is a huge gas station that got, I don't even know how many pumps. A lot of pumps to pump, a lot of station things to pump gas, but the inside is where the fun is. They have food, they have a whole wall of coffee flavors and stuff, a whole wall of icy flavors, and then on the other side of the store is a whole lot of like merchandise, so you can get from a grill to a cup to anything you need in the kitchen, in the house. They have, I think my husband he ended up getting an umbrella. They have a whole bunch of stuff and a whole wall of jerky. So if you love jerky, that's the place to go. So it's like a lot of people stop there on their, like when they on road trips and stuff. But since we have one here in Ohio, it's not too far from me. We can just go on the weekend. All right, $5 is going for Budget with Carly. It's like a gas station, amusement park gas station. All right, so we got back to 1 again. Let's do another one. And we got a 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. And they, oh my goodness. And then they just opened a 7 Brew near my job. It's like, what are they trying to do to me? I'm trying to save money. You guys just throwing things in my face, you know? So look at that. We are finishing this Stay Magical by Debt Free by 43. See? And that is a 4. So $4. And grab that. So that's $10 again here. Let's see how much did this one save us. Because it was a mystery save, because you got to determine the amount that you wanted in here. That you wanted to save, rather. So we got 20, 30, 5, 42. So $42. Not too bad. Let me write 42 on here. 42. And where is this going? This is going to subscriptions. Ain't that something? They is getting all the money. Plus 42. My plans, because I already paid the subscription for the year. So I want to put this towards Canva. Because I don't have that on a yearly subscription, and I want to. So I think I got enough now to go ahead and pay for the year. Yes, yes. All right. So we finished that one. I can just set that there. And let's see, where we going now? 4. I got heartburn. I just ate a big bowl of kale salad. Now I got heartburn. All right, so this one is this one is created by Keely Creations. I was trying to say that all together. So let's do this one. And this is an 80 plus. So we have a 3. And if it's 5 or under, I always scratch twice. And this is a 5, so $8. I feel like the money is going pretty far today. So 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Did I? Hold on. I was just talking, but did I put the... Yeah, I did. I think I did. Did I put the money into that last challenge? I think I did. And this one, he had one more scratch. I want to do that one. I mean, we got enough. I should. So let's go to 7. 7 is the humble budgeter. Oh, this might take us out. This is our friends living their best life. And they like to show us that it's expensive to live your best life. So let me get my D12. Okay, and let's see which card. We are going to 4. Oh, we haven't did 4 yet. So let's see. Let's go here. Okay, $5. She proved us wrong today with her shopping bag. She is wore out. I feel like that after I'm going to come from the grocery store. It's like, I don't want to do nothing. I'm not cooking, so don't ask. You better grab you some while we was at the stove that you can cook yourself. Next, we are going to 10. We are getting all the little challenges today. We are spreading them out. We finished that one. So this is created by Dreamy Budgets and this nice little dominoes here. And we are just going to mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, and do this one. All right, let's see what this domino giving us. Okay, gave us a friendly 6. All right. All right, 5 and 6. We can put those back. All right. Okay, we still got a little. Oh, your choice. Let's go ahead and finish. Look, I was too happy. Look at me. Let's go ahead and finish Keely's Creations and do this last scratch. And we got the champagne glass for ×2, but we already didn't finish. Is that a freebie? No. So let's go ahead and roll a die here, and then we times it by 2. 3, so we are doing $6. Perfect. Now let's see how much total this one saved us. This was an 80 plus. And then we'll put, oh, this, look at God. Oh, that goes towards me. Too happy, too geeked. So thank you, Miss Keely Creations. Got 50, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So we saved the extra $10. So let me make sure it's 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Even 90. That is some cute. I love that for me. So plus 90. So 193 plus 90 is 283. 283. Perfect. And if you're confused as why I'm saving this way, this is just a nice fun way for me to save for categories for things we don't need at the moment but might need or even wants, because the money is there, we might want or need in the future. You won't have to feel guilty, and be like, don't have the money for it, or charge it on a credit card, So 10, 11, 12, I got $13, and we back to the humble budgeter, sis. She just want to show us her living her best life. We going to 3. Oh, we did one on here before and it was a 10. So let's go here. She like spa days. It ain't cheap, girl. It ain't cheap. And I think we got $13 there. So we got 10, 11, 12, 13. Yay, we didn't go over. No IOU. She said, let me get her this 13 so she can stop talking these people's ears off. All right. Let's counter up. Counter up, counter up. I'm sorry, I just have to clean up a little bit. And let's start from the beginning. So envelope 1 got 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Envelope 1 didn't get anything. Envelope 3 didn't get anything. We finished envelope 4 for $90. I'm just going to set that there. And I'm going to set the money there. So I can put a new one in there. Thrifted Sewers got $10. Reynolds Budget got $6. The Humble Budgeter got $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. Told you this one be taking all the money. Champagne's Corner we didn't get to do. And then Beautiful Budgets Co. got $7. I was hoping to play that again. Dreamy Budgets got $6. We didn't get to play Mystic Budgets. And then Debt Free by 43, we finished that with a total of $42. And I'm going to take that money out so I can put that there. Yes. And that's it. Oh, I got to put this back in here. And I'm going to show you guys how I keep track of everything too. So hold on. Hold on. Ugh. I got stuff everywhere. Let me show you guys. So I have the Seeking Funds tracker here. Hold on. Oh gosh, stuff is just flying everywhere. Let me move this out the way. So yeah, I gotta put, I don't remember who I got this from, but I got it on Etsy. So I just put each category. So I gotta put how much I save for myself here, and I keep track like that because this money is in my high yield savings. And then hubby, his is here, my kids, and then other areas. So subscriptions will go here too. And then, yeah, so this is all the categories. So like birthday, saving for birthday, I put money in, and then we just had a birthday in March, so I took $200 out, and all I got is $55 left. So that's just how I do that. Keep track of what's in the high yield savings and what's going in and what's coming out. Uh-oh, get back in there. So that just easy for me because I like to keep track of everything. All right, gems, that's enough of me talking. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend, and remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.